Good morning, everyone. It is June 28th here at 9 a.m. My favorite time to start trading is between 9 a.m. and 11:30 in the market. Typically by this time, the market has had some fluctuations up and down and typically likes to pick a trend. So guys, let's do a technical analysis on the charts right now, show you guys exactly how I'm using these metrics to pull out money in the market. So you can do this yourself every single day. You guys, before I get going on here, I just want to give a shout out to new people that have literally just grabbed these metrics in the last 24 hours and have already started making money. Shahir, welcome. Vincent, Kelvin, James, John, Robert, Anthony, Bradley, and Alex. Thank you guys so much. If you guys heard your name, please leave a comment below just so everyone knows this is transparent. I'm having so much fun with you guys. I actually have a one-on-one call in a couple hours here today. I'm going to give a shout out to this member as well. One-on-one call today is actually going to be with Steve. Steve, I'm so excited to do a one-on-one call with you. We'll go over everything like this and the metrics. If you guys are interested in doing one-on-one training as well, you guys can absolutely do that. You just want to send me an email and I can book something out for you guys. But let's take a look at the charts here. We are overall trading in a bear market momentum. So how do you guys tell that? Go to your metrics here, populate this to the past 100. This is going to give you the overall direction of the trend, bullish, bearish, or consolidating. Right now we are trading in that bearish momentum. So I do want to just have sell signals illuminated, which is going to give us the best opportunities into the market. Now, down here on the dashboard, I love this metric because this is going to tell you all the metrics you need to trade in the market to find very valuable trade setups. This white line is going to show you money that's either flowing into the market, price is increasing, money flowing out of the market, that's when price decreases. This middle band here, see how this switches over to green and red? This is basically a stoplight. It's telling you to green to go, and red to stop. So basically green, that's when everything is still in combination to the upside. That's when you want to stay within trades. Red means bearish, so that's when you want to be looking just to be going short in the market. And then when you get these dots like this, you guys take a look. When you get these green dots and these red, these are just key EMA crossovers showing that a very strong movement either in the upside or downside is potentially happening. You guys, right now, take a look at this actually. If you were to draw a line here, what's actually happening to the overall price? We're actually heading a bit up here. So even though we are in a downtrend here, I'm actually keeping this in line here, meaning like, okay, what is actually happening? If price is increasing this way, and also, you guys take a look at the dashboard down here. If overall the price down here and money is actually flowing into the market in an overall bear trend like this, you can actually sometimes spot reversals on here. So what I want to look out for, I wouldn't be surprised if we potentially have a buy signal here. Let's go and turn this on actually, so we can show transparency. There we go. Actually, yes. So this is actually showing a buy here. We are in this top section here. We want to just make sure if we're taking trades like this, oh, you guys, I really like this one. That is a nice bullish candle right here. You guys see that? How it's a full body with just a wick out the top. Next one's forming nicely as well. You guys, I like this setup here. I'm actually gonna go over here, see if we can get this on discount. Let's go and grab it right now. Let's see if we can get filled. Just needs to come back down here for a second and see if we can get this in. Oh, it's running away. Gosh. Okay, gotta be patient here. Let's go and get it down. I'm just gonna load it in here. Order filled. All right, guys, you can hear it in the background. We're gonna go for 1 point here on the 1 minute time frame. The market's moving quite a bit this morning. So we had a huge impulse moves this morning on the 5 minute time frame. It was absolutely incredible. I had a trader text me this morning. He's like, Justin, I made 322 points this morning. I was like, gosh, that is absolutely incredible. The guy's literally at an airport with his iPhone just trading and making more money than I've made in a year. But congrats to him. But you guys, let's just stay here live with you and see exactly what happens with this. You guys take a look here though. Middle band here looks like it's switching back over here. See, this is red. Doji candle. We end up getting a sell here. So what I want to do, let's just show you guys good risk management. Let's bring this down to 1 point. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go in like that. I'm actually going to close this out here with you guys live. This is going to be a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Let's see if we can get this to close out and come up here. We just need to go up for one more tick in the market. Let's see if this will close out. Hey, talk about transparency here with you guys. So this is going to be a good risk management trade to see if we can just pull this out for a 1-to-1 risk reward. Okay, order has been filled. That was 1 point loss in the market because I was going for this one here. Let's actually do this. We are having a sell signal right now illuminated. Let's go and actually go back into the market. Let's actually sell into the market and let's see if we can come back and actually capitalize on a stronger push to the downside with this sell signal. So far we are 0 for 1. Transparency here, right? And let's see if this, with this overall trend here, can actually push lower. I'm going to move this down. Let's go for a 2-to-1 actually. I'm going to move this down to 8 ticks in the market to see if we can actually capitalize on a further push, since now overall our metrics are showing a stronger push down than actually back up. I like this because money was flowing back into the market. But you guys, if you ever get into a trade like this and you end up getting a doji candle here, just get out of that trade on that next one. It just shows that everything in confirmation with that is just not going to pan out. And I'd rather you wait, or excuse me, get out on a trade with a doji than wait for a candle like this and then re-enter back in like this. So we are now 4 ticks down. We are now 1 to 1. If we end up closing this out here, this is going to end up making us profitable, $200 in the market, since we're trading here with 4 lots. Because we ended up doing a 1-to-1 risk to reward. So the first one ended up losing on us. That was down 200, and this one's actually going to be going for 8 ticks, which is going to be 400. Let's do this together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Actually, you know what, you guys? I'm going to adjust this. This is actually going to be right here. Let's just stay live with you right now and see what happens. So risk management is everything on these trades. If you guys get into setups that just don't end up working out, I want you to cut those right away. There we go. Let's see this push. This is going to push down and actually close us out here. And this will be the last trade of the day. This is it. This is going to be done when this closes out. There we go. Order has been filled. So there you go, guys. Talk about transparency here on YouTube. So that was a trade going long in the market, which didn't end up panning out. Totally fine. We were trading against the trend overall, but I like the setup here. Ended up getting out really quick, capitalizing for another position to the downside. Kept it to a 1-to-1 risk to reward, meaning we lost 4 ticks or 1 point on this trade, and we end up winning 8 ticks on the second one, or 2 points, and that has netted us out now to 1 point in the market, trading with 4 lots, which is a $200 profit. You guys, if you haven't done so already, join us. This is My Future Succuss over here. You guys can grab access to all of these metrics right away. Literally takes a couple minutes. Just go over here and click I want this. Please keep an eye on this date here when everything does increase. But take a look at our 5-star ratings over here from customers who are already using this. If you want to do one-on-one training, please let me know. Steve, I have the appointment with him just in a couple hours here. I'm really looking forward to doing that. If you guys have any questions or anything, please let me know. Take a look at this and join and have some amazing success with this that a lot of traders are having already. Take a look at this, you guys. What a great sell-off here in the market. So there you go. 1 and 1. 1 loss, 1 win. The win was 2 times bigger than our loss, and we are still up for the day. So have a great one, you guys. If you have any questions, please reach out to me or email. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day and a fantastic weekend here coming up. All right, guys. God bless. Take care.